Morning! So, I'm on my way to Yokohama, Waikad. I'm going to pick up my cousins. I'm going to pick them up. They're gonna arrive by 7 a.m. but it's already 6:30. I hope hindi sila maghintay. Hindi na ako nakapag-blower ng buhok. Ajub. Have you seen the weather? It's a bit cloudy, windy. The temperature today is 7 degrees. Look at the tree. Nakalimutan ko na pa saan papunta. Here or there. Here. Here.
十分にお気をつけください。緊急停止をすることがございますので。
So early. These stores are still closed. See? Quite that. Wala na naman yung password ko. Charge mo. Sorry. Okay. Alam niyo mag 1,000. 1,000 na siya. Elevator and then there's Waikad. Here. They're supposed to be here, but if not yet, I'm gonna tambay sa... Not here. Wala ko bukas yung Starbucks. 7 o'clock kasi magbubukas. Kape muna. English. Hot. Coffee latte. Coffee latte. Mega. Raw. Hindi ko pa pala nalagay. Tanga. Sa iba daw sila binaba. Try natin silang tawag. Tawagan ko sila. Saan kayo?
Nandito kami sa Lawson.
Ah? Lawson?
Nandito na kami sa loob ng Sky 1 o...
Sky Building? Lawson?
Oo.
Saan ka? Dito ako sa harap ng Lawson. Loob ng Lawson?
Wait lang.
Ah! Ata!
Ayos. Ay, natin.
Tik-tik! Walang tulog? Kala ko na iba kayong baba. Ah, okay lang. Naku, sleep? Oo, kasi hindi kasha yung doon,
Kaya-
Ayan, nakita niyo yung taxi?
Oo, hatchback.
Train na, gusto mo i-book yung isa?
Iyan ko lang naman sa
CR, Sunday sleep.
Itatanggal mo na yung lapit na tayo sa bahay.
Lapit na tayo. Tatawid tayo. Dito na tayo sa gilid. Huwag na tayo makit dyan.
Dalawa na.
Buti bumigay na. Dito na tayo.
May bad news ako sa'yo. Akin na yun.
Wala elevator. Pero second floor lang. Isa-isa natin. Ikaw sa paanan. Ito. Ako dito. Push up. Bigat. Oh, bigat. Ako doon. Hindi, okay lang. Dito ako sa paanan. Dito tayo. Push. Oops. Diyan kay love, love tuloy. Ang tawag kong love si Merot. Ilaw, love. Get my slippers.
I now want
Magkano ay? Ito? Sira ito pala nagtago ng kalat. Sabi ko tinago ko yung kalat, ikaw pala yung naglipas. Ibigay mo sa pinsa mo. Ayaw mo.
Bata mong sleepers.
Hindi, okay lang. Malamig lang kasi yung floor.
Ay, basta naman.
Ako lang. Tayo na kayo.
Kanin. Kanin or sleepers? Nakatuwa siya.
Ito, tabi lang mo.
Ang dami mo ng gamit agad, no?
Uy, pasensya ka, walang ubuan na. Japanese style talaga dito sa Seiko.
Sanay tayo sa ganyan. Sa Kumakain ba siya ng ano? Uy, anak, wag ka dyan!
Like yung ikaw.
Eh, kay To Noodles, so come here! Favorite mo.
Ha?
To Noodles, favorite mo.
Ano yan?
Noodles po, here.
Ano yun?
Noodles! Gusto mo rice?
Slippers ka, Kaz. Malamig yung
Mami, you milk the white red orange one.
Which one?
Which one do you like?
Gusto niyo magkape?
This one?
Say hi.
Say hi daw. Video ka.
Si Seven.
Yeah.
7.
Oo, kasi, pag naambunan, sira.
Ay, talaga?
Ay, hindi siya waterflow.
Ito, kahit log-log mo. Di ba yung ano? Say hi. Say hi to yourself. Ba, nagbibidyo ko din yan ah. Tama mo si tita. Hi. Hi. Pause. Sugita. Sugita station. Kate has to walk. Gabi naman yung mukhang yan. Yung elevator.
Parang tapon yung green light. Akit baba.
Lagi ako mali. Mali pala.
Why?
Pasok. Gabi naman talaga ang mukha na yan.
First green po. Press 2.
And close.
Galing.
Mura yan. Mura dyan.
Polio.
Oo. Matamis ang ano dito, repolyo. Ano sa ito, 990? Ano flavor ng milk tea niya? Ako yung cookies cream, lagi ko yun. O kaya yung,
Parang mas masarap kaysa ano.
yung ano, mas,
Kaysa
yung
set. No, kasi parang madami.
dalawang peraso lang.
Eto, ano to?
Ito. Ano ba yun? Ilang peraso yung apat? Baka ito yan. Flavor sa
Ano ba masarap? Nagpalit ako yung isa.
Ha? Palita mo?
Hindi, wait. Ano masarap?
Gusto sa akin kasi cookies and cream.
Ako.
Iniwan my good my pop. Good my
Smart mo naman.
kind beef.
Anak ka talaga ng ina mo, ng tsaka ng ama
Here you
mo.
go, eat the food and the salad and corn and beef.
Yung ano, using cappuccino ballerina.
No more honey, now honey. I got what to be a dreaming honey. Voices, mommy, how we going up, up, up. And a mommy, and mommy, 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 mommy. Sure.
Tell about Japan. Tell about Japan. How's Japan?
Good. Last one.
Come sour.
Go in the house. Then I saw.
We're at
Milk
Milk Tea Shop.
tea shop.
We're eating
Eating
chicken.
and fries and milk tea.
Okay.
Bye.
Pwede. Nakabukas pa ako. Hindi mo. Ano? Barbaro dito.
Mag-record ka pala. Sabi mo, hi vlog. Sabi mo, hi vlog. Oo.
This is big.
Hashi. Okay siya. Pwede nyo daw lagyan ng sauce. Lalagyan nyo daw.
Slowly lang ha.
本田選手がスランプの攻撃の練習をしてください。
Natayo. Natawid tayo.
Gundam. Papay kita ng Gundam,
Wait
diba?
lang. Puro bus dito. Wait lang. Puro truck dito. Wait lang. Okay. Dito na sa Mitsui Outlet. No, you're... Nagsha-shopping sila Mommy at Daddy. You say what's Daddy and Mommy's doing?
He's shopping.
Shopping. Mommy and Daddy is shopping.
Mommy does shop because he wants to.
How about you? Are you going to shop?
No?
You,
Hi.
what can you say about the clothes?
No one does. Sit down.
You're tired.
And
What can you say?
here.
Hindi naman ikaw kita eh.
Then so I'm watching. I want to share back. Back ulit. Back ulit.
Hmm?
Back ulit.
What the... stop.
I'm
Hi vlog. Welcome to my vlog. Sabi mo dating, hi vlog.
Hi, Black.
Welcome to my vlog.
Yeah. And
Sabi mo, like, follow, and subscribe. Like, follow,
right.
subscribe. Dali, one more time. Like.
Like it, subscribe.
Ay, kadali. Shopping tayo.
No shopping.
Go shopping. Let's spend some money. Let's go shopping.
This again, this again. Kailangan siya muna. I can know. Ninang!
Huli ka.
1 hour
Yung
later.
video, Mommy and Daddy, they are shopping. Look at them. Like that, like that. Look at Mommy and Daddy. They are shopping.
Balik tayo.
Say thank you.
Say thank you. Bibig ko sa mga ito.
Camera. You're pretty, Dada. You're pretty, Dada.
Meter na. Hey, two. Here we go. Ding, up. Ninang, let's go outside. Look, it's me here. Ninang, you stay here with me. Take some right inside here and no walk. Let's go outside. No, here outside. Because you watch me. I know. Let's go.
Ikaw yung gagawin kong camera dito.
Pag nasira, bibili naman ng bago si Mami tsaka si Dad. Wala pa naman ng warranty.
I want to sit down.
Sit down ka, wait lang. Kami sisit siya.
Sit ka properly.
Ganda daw ng bibig.
Medium to
Thank you.
Make my face turning now not because because I'm outside.
Agat na.
Yeah, I'm free.
Dum 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 dum. Yeah 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 yeah. Dum 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 dum. Yeah 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 yeah. Dum.
Show mo kung nasan ka. Show mo. Show them mo. Look at yourself. Look at yourself.
Go video ulit.
Video yan, video.
Hello. I'm in Nikes. May ba games dito?
Wala akong games dyan.
Nina, follow me.
I follow you. I follow you. I will follow you.
Hindi follow me. Not follow.
I'll follow you. Halika dali, there's another store. Ay, tita, like.
I'm not a baby now. I'm big girl.
How much is this?
2,400.
Tell the camera we are in.
In the store. I'm wanting my tita. So I want and go outside and go to Nike.
Kaya tinubo ka na, don't run na.
The photo. Tita.
Oh.
Yeah, picture.
Ay, ko.
Give me that. Give me that.
Mawang bata.
Tayo, pag nagminato, meron tayo.
Ano? Why they will gonna eat you? Because you're yummy. Diretso sa park dito. Dito. Ito? Oo.
Team lang ng puno. Galing, no?
Pero
Nag-a-adjust.
Iba yung kulay. Parang, ay, sarado. Maalas ni Kate. Kasi umulan ata or malamig. Ayan, no? Slide kayong mula doon, no? Third. Yan, fourth, third, fourth, second.
check natin. Playground, slide sana to.
Oo, no, yun, nung galing fourth floor. Kala ko hanggang second floor lang. Picture na lang kayo.
Oh, perfect pa
No?
lang, wala na.
Yung background ng ano, tunog.
Parang batang.